Hi. Today we are going to revisit my failed experiment from last time. The experiment is 432 Hertz compared to 440 Hertz. This is a very difficult thing to do. I fully admit that. But this time, I have two flutes made from redwood, both made by the same flute maker. Which I hope will get rid of sound characteristics, like this one sounds raspy or this one sounds more smooth. That's not what we're paying attention to. We're paying attention to the actual frequency of a note. 432 Hertz is supposed to be the healing frequency. Earth's heartbeat, for example. Everything is going to be picked up on my little wireless microphone that I'm wearing, which is also picking up my voice. I'm going to step off camera and I'm going to try and play something ultra simple, flute number 1 and flute number 2. That's all I'm going to tell you. One is tuned to a 432 Hertz standard, and one is tuned to a 440 Hertz standard. Let's see if we can feel the healing vibration. Okay? I'll be right back. Flute number 1. Flute number 2. Flute number 1. Flute number 2. So I'm hoping that two different flutes from the same maker, made of the same wood, I think they're voiced pretty darn close. This Flute Maker is pretty consistent in their flutes. Could you feel a frequency euphoria, if you will, in one flute over the other? Flute number 1, flute number 2. Which one do you think might have been tuned to the A432 healing frequency? Which do you think might have been tuned to the A440 universal standard that was set for like orchestras to all tune to so they could all be in the same pitch? What do you think? Could you tell a difference? Does it matter to you? Do they sound the same? Different? Different in what way? Did you like one better than the other? Let me know in the comment section down below. And the next video will be a reveal of which one was which. I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe, click the little bell someplace over here so that you could be notified the next time I post a video. Could be the reveal video, could be a tutorial on how to play the Native American style flute, one of the simplest instruments in the world to play or to learn. Could be a music video where the Native American style flute kind of gets the spotlight shown on it. It could be solo, but more times than not in my videos, it is with other instruments accompanying it or as backing tracks. I like a fuller music presentation, if you will. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Take care.